Chiller design details for engineers in HVAC or pharma. Chillers remove heat, typically from water or glycol. Cool fluid maintains temperatures. Chillers, air-cooled or water-cooled. Air-cooled, fin condensers and fans. Water-cooled, cooling tower water. Compressor types, reciprocating, scroll, screw, centrifugal. Reciprocating, small loads. Scroll, compact, efficient. Screw, continuous, efficient. Centrifugal, high capacity. Key components: evaporator, compressor, condenser, valve, refrigerant, controls, pumps. Evaporator absorbs heat. Compressor increases pressure. Condenser rejects heat. Expansion valve reduces pressure. Refrigerants R134A, R410A. Controls ensure operation. Pumps circulate water. Water supply 7 degrees Celsius. Return 12 degrees Celsius. Water inlet 30 to 32 degrees Celsius. Outlet 35 to 37 degrees Celsius. Compressor power 0.6 to 1.2 kilowatts per TR. 100 TR chiller needs specific flows. COP and EER are vital. Maintain flow, ventilation. Vibration isolators are critical. Optional features enhance control. Chillers in HVAC, pharma, data centers. Details are essential.